if not, so let's answer this question. So it's actually when I was giving this example, so it's not maybe it's not such a good example. Why? Because our sages say that you cannot eat. All the people cannot eat especially when they're close to each other at the same table. When somebody is eating meat and somebody is eating dairy, right? Why? Because especially with kids, where they sometimes they take from each other plates, so they by the way of the habit they can take from somebody's plate and eat. That's the issue, right? But let's say adults, and they usually don't do it, right? So even with adults, we say that you have to put some kind of separation, some kind of sign to remind us that I'm eating dairy and my wife, let's say, she's eating meat, right? So we're not going to take from each other plate. I'm not sure why would people take food from each other plate, but okay, but for those people who do so, and so sometimes they would put a separate tablecloth. They would use like tablecloth for dairy, tablecloth for or placement mat, like something like to show that I'm eating dairy. Don't take from my food. Yeah, that's the proper way to do. But if these people are strangers, like you have in your company, you have cafeteria, so everybody eating together. So that doesn't matter. Let's say even there are Jews, right? And they eating meat, you can eat dairy, but because then you're not that friendly, like a family members, that you're going to take something from his plate or her plate, and they're going to take from something from your plate. So then you don't need any reminders, but in the house, yeah, you need reminders. Okay.